Good morning, students. In today's video we will discuss the further questions from the first model paper of science. Here we will go for fourth question. See what is given. The nature and the size of the image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus and the optic center of a convex lens. We need to find out the nature of the image here. See the options: virtual, erect and enlarged, real, inverted and small size, virtual, inverted and small size, and last one is real, inverted and enlarged. As I have already told you, first we need to omit the unwanted, or you can say the wrong answers here, the wrong options here. So see, in two options it has mentioned virtual images, whereas in other two options it has mentioned real and inverted. The very first point that comes to your mind is, since it is a convex lens, it will always produce the real and inverted image. But here the condition is mentioned where the object is placed, and the object is between principal focus and optic center. Principal focus and optic center. Recall that this is an exceptional case where if the object, whether it is for a lens or for a mirror, if the object is placed between principal focus and optic center, then the image is formed on the same side, and because of that one, the image is always virtual. Are you getting the point here? Since this is an exceptional case for both mirrors and lenses, here if the object is placed between principal focus and optic center, definitely it will be formed on the same side, and the nature of the image is always enlarged. Virtual image and enlarged image. Virtual, erect and enlarged image is formed. During classes I have already told you that such questions, MCQs or the drawing of the figure, such type of questions are mostly asked on exceptional ones. That means which creates confusion in your mind while drawing or while solving such questions. So our answer for this question is option A, virtual, erect and enlarged image. Next we have, see, for this question one more thing that I'll want to add here is, if it would have not mentioned the exact position of the object, then we would have chosen real and inverted image. If any particular condition is mentioned, like it is at center of curvature, beyond center of curvature, then according to that you need to choose the answer. Other than this case, convex lens will always form the real and inverted image one, depending upon position of object, whether it will, the size of the image should be decided. Let's move to the next question. The potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is 60 watt. That means here voltage is mentioned already, potential difference or voltage. When it draws a current of 4 ampere, 4 ampere current is being drawn. I is also mentioned here. The resistance of the electric heater coil, you need to find out the R. V is mentioned and I is mentioned. We need to find out R. Then simply by Ohm's law, we have R equals to V by I. Substitute the values. V is 60, I is 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then our answer will be 15 ohm. Such questions may be asked either on voltage or current. That means R and V value will be given, you need to find out I, or I and R is given, you need to find out V. Such changes in the questions may appear in exam also. Next we have, the diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is. Here the definitions will be very useful for you. See, here he is asking for a lens. Let's consider a convex lens. Alright. We know the center of the lens will be called as optic center. right? Optic center or optical center. So this is eliminated, first option. Then here second one, as this circle completes, right, the imaginary circle completes, here we'll get the center of this circle, which is called as C, center of curvature. B option is also gone now. Third, we have aperture. Aperture is nothing but the outline, just like a circle. For a circle we have circumference, the boundary, the outline. In the same way, the outline of a lens or a mirror is called as its aperture. Whereas principal axis is nothing but an imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and optic center. So I hope you have got the answer now. That is aperture. The diameter he is saying, the total covering or the total outline of the circular outline of that spherical lens, we are calling it as aperture. This question shows that you need to remember the proper definitions of center of curvature, optical center, principal focus, and all the things related to lens or mirror, right?